friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learners Combat.
Hi friends, this is Dinesh Reddy, and here you can see this is the YouTube channel art which I have been created, and now today we will discuss about the Python creating an oval and all. In the last video we have seen about the creating an arc and creating a line in the canvas, and now today we will discuss about the creating an oval. And creating an oval means it is creating an eclipse or circle at the given, it depends upon the given coordinates. And here you can see the syntax, that is x1 y not x1 y1, and then options will be given. In the options we can use fill and all that like that. And now here x0 and y0 will be the top left, and x1 y1 will be the bottom right. And now we will see an example in Python, and we will see this example, similar example for now. We will open a module named canvas. Now here you can see this is the basics for the technique module. And now for us we need to create a oval. For that, before that we should create a canvas, that is we will name it as W dot canvas of root word R comma, and we will fill the background equal to red. And now we will copy this same thing and paste it here, and we need to pack that canvas W dot pack. Now we'll run the program, and here you get the same output as given here, same output has been given. And now we will change these modules to get a circle. For that, just we need to change it as a square. As you know, we form a straight line here 20 to 150, that is slope will be 45, and now it will form a square. Now here you can see this is the formation of the circle, and here one point will be 20 20, and here will be 150 comma 150. If you have any doubt about that, I will show you an example by using line command. Now we will use a name W dot create line of, and now we will create the line which starts at 20 comma 20 and continue to 20 comma 150, and then 150 comma 150, and then 150 comma 20, and then 20 comma 20 comma fill equal to opposite. We will fill it with green, and we will take some width as 4, and now we will run the program. Here these lines will form a square. Now we will see that, and here you can see that it forms a square. This is the point 20 20, this is 150 comma 150, and here is that 20 150, here 150 20, And similarly for the eclipse also we can show. And now we will discuss about the creating a polygon. And now we'll show you, see here, creating a polygon. Creating a polygon means it consists of the how many sides you want, means you need to give n number of inputs, that is coordinates, to get that n minus 1 number of sides of the polygon. If you have given means 4, means it will form a 3-sided polygon. And now we'll check it. Here is one example, and I will show this same example for you. I'll just copy it from here and show it to you. Here you can see the command a equal to w dot. W means canvas name, which we have given already, w, and create polygon. This is main syntax, and these are the coordinates, and it will be filled with green color, and we'll paste it here. Now we'll run the program. And here you can see the output. And to compare with this, first point 10, 10 will be here, and 10, 100, 100, 100, and 100, 10 will be here. And now we'll see the difference between forming with a line. We can form with line also. I will show you that square diagram also. We just copy that here, and we'll make it visible to the compiler. Now we'll run it. Here it shows like a jar because we did not complete that fully when we did not complete it. Here we need to add one more coordinate, that is 10, 10. And now we'll run the program. And here you will be the output. And by this, for the forming an polygon will be okay. I have forgotten about the forming a circle with arc. I will show that also. And now here will be here, the program is there. We don't need of it. Now we'll take a variable e equal to w dot create arc of, and now we'll create an arc, and we'll use the same coordinates as given above that line for the creating an arc. Ten, 10, 100, 100, and we'll use that only. Fill equal to blue, and then we'll use start. This is an option thing that we have shown before. Here I have shown that start, extend, fill and all. And here you can import image also. In the previous last two before videos, I have explained about the image. If you want, I will give it in the description. See in the description. Now we'll start with starts from 0, and then we'll extend it to 360 degrees, and then we'll take some width. For what I am taking the width, I will show you afterwards. By seeing the output, you can got explained. And here you can see that there is no curve. The curve has been extended to 360 degrees, but it reaches to the starting point, so it forms like a line. For showing you this line, I have used the width as 4, and now we'll use with some little bit decreased angle. If you want, we'll use 359. Now we'll check, we'll form nearly like a circle, and here is the output. It forms like a circle, and everyone remembered one game in your mobile phones and all this game. Very interesting. Okay friends, for the canvas it is clear, and I wanted to take a live class for you. I have created a poll in my videos in my Telegram channel. Please go and give your votes. Depending upon that, I will give you the live streaming day and all. Please support me. Thank you for watching my videos. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.